Kozma Curl Gentle Shampoo is your go-to product when you want to gently cleanse your scalp and curls. Silicone and sulfate-free, this shampoo is formulated with natural, curl-friendly ingredients such as macadamia seed oil and Barbary fig, and does not contain any of the harsh ingredients that strip away moisture and natural oils. Begin by thoroughly soaking the hair and scalp with water. Apply a generous dollop of Kozma Curl Gentle Cleanser to your palms. Top tip: for porous or dehydrated curls, we recommend doing a pre-poo by applying conditioner to the mid-ends of the hair shaft before applying the shampoo to the scalp. The conditioner will protect the ends that don't need to be cleansed and moisturize the thirstiest parts of the hair. Shampoo should be applied to the scalp area and massaged into the scalp using gentle but firm circular motions, concentrating on the roots. You should be thorough in your routine to ensure all areas of the scalp are cleansed. Once the scalp has been thoroughly cleansed, you can repeat the process if necessary. You might find you need to repeat more than once, especially if you have any kind of buildup on the hair or have extended time between wash days. Kozma Curl Gentle Shampoo doesn't contain the harsh ingredient sodium lauryl sulfate, otherwise known as SLS. That means it won't strip away natural oils or deplete moisture reserves within the hair shaft. Because of our shampoo's ultra-gentle nature, you might not experience a heavy-duty lather. But the great thing is, this shampoo will still lather. Rinse the shampoo thoroughly. Repeat if needed. Be sure to follow with a Kozma Curl conditioner to lock in moisture.
I just feel alive. 1, 2, 3, 4. I just feel alive. I just feel